Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and what I'm doing in today's video is a bit slightly different. I'm going to be going up to Kempston Retail Park in Bedfordshire to check out Fueled Collective's mini weekly meet on a Tuesday. I'll link his Instagram page and his Facebook page in the description of this video so you can check it out if you want to go to any like future meets on like a Tuesday or their monthly mash up, which is on a Saturday, I believe. And yeah, you check out all the details below, and let's get going.
I might pull up, see over this, like, reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend.